Hello travelers, today we are doing the unboxing of the DJI Neo 2. Sorry we did the video at the very late hours of the night because I came back late from work and we hurriedly wanted to see what's inside the pack. But after this video, at the end of this video, you're going to see the videos that were made with the DJI Neo drone, how me and my kids tested the drone, and the lovely scene that was captured with this drone. Please do well to watch to the end of this video and do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for supporting our channel. Thank you. So guys, today I came to the park to have a test of the drone, the DJI Neo 2, which I told you about. So I unboxed it, and today we'll be doing a little bit test drive of the drone, me and my baby girl. She's my camera woman for today. Say hi, Manuela. And that's Miracle and Christiana coming. This is Christiana. Yeah, Christiana, come and say hi to the camera. We're all here today to do tests. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And Miracle, come and say hi to the camera.
Vlogs.
Come and say hi to the camera.
Vlogs.
Not vlogs, hi. That's Miracle over there. They like playing too much. Okay, Manola, hold the camera. So now we'll be testing the drone. We're using the palm control today because I don't have the controller and I'll be using my phone for control. But today we're going to use today we're going to use just our palm for controls. Okay, so let's put on the drone. Okay, the drone is on now, so we're going to test the drone now. Follow.
Rear. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So this is how the drone works. Honey, can you get a picture of the drone? Now move your hand. So this is how the drone works. It's on follow mode now, so it's gonna go with me. Because you don't go close. Man, can you still see it? But you can see the drone, right? So when you want to stop the drone, just stretch your hand and the drone comes close to your hand. This is how to stop the drone. Very easy to use, you see? So it's very easy. Chrissy, wait. It's very easy to use. Chrissy said she wants to try. So who wants to try the drone?
Me.
So let's Manuela try the drone first. I think we have to try it together. Chrissy, don't move your hand.
Rear right. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
You can push it just with one hand. Push it left or right. Carefully.
Now I'm playing with the camera.
Now you can open your hand to close it, stop the drone. Open your, don't touch. You see, it's very easy to stop the drone. Just open your palm and the drone will land on your palm. That's how just how to stop the drone. See, it's very easy. Even my 9-year-old daughter can control the drone. Chris, you want to try?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Rear right. Follow. 3, 2,
Back shift.
1.
Raise it up. Raise it up.
Raise your hand up. Don't move, eh?
Your hand is too small. Leave it.
Not even stay very well.
Before the drone, the miracle start to test it now.
Can you help me to push it?
You can push it yourself. So my boy, who is just 6 years, wants to test the drone now.
Rear right.
So he'll be 6 years this year.
3,
He's 5 years now.
2, 1.
Now use one hand.
I'll push it to the left.
Oh my god. Now piano, eh?
Okay, leave it now.
Now do like
Leave it, no, leave it now. Leave it, move your hand. Yeah, run.
now come on.
Run this way.
Now come here. Come. You go very fast.
So after testing the drone, the DJI Neo 2 drone, I have seen it's an easy drone to use, and I will recommend anyone who wants to start using a drone to start with this. It's very easy to control. If you can see, even my kids could control. They could also control the drone, and it's a very easy to go drone. I think the only downside is the battery, because as I was doing the rocket shots just now, I signaled battery low. Though I didn't start with the full battery, I was I think I was having a 70% or 80% battery already. So it signaled me on low battery, but it's quite a good drone to start with. Friendly and easy to use. You could use your palm. In fact, I was scared of using my phone because of the experience I had with one of my drones I bought then from an online store, but it was difficult with using that one then. It was just crashing as soon as I started using it. It's crashed quickly because I had no experience of drone even till now. But with this drone, it feels like I've used drone for a very long time. It's quite easy to use. Yes, the downside is the battery, but I recommend when you're getting it, you get the a package with extra 2 batteries and the charger. I still have 2 batteries filled up here if I want to make more video. So it's a good drone. I recommend it to anyone. And if you want to purchase the drone from Amazon, you can purchase it on I have the link on the description of this video. You can purchase it, and I'm currently using the Action 5 to make this video. You be the judge of the video. If the video is clear, I'm sitting against the sun to make better shots, but it's a nice camera. I'm also using the DJI Mini Mic 2 here also. Is it here also? So it connects directly to the DJI Action 5 without transmitter or anything. It connects directly, and it also connects to I use an iPhone, to the iPhone via Bluetooth. I don't know about another phone, Android. I don't know about them if it connects to Android directly, but I believe it will, because DJI is a very big name. So you please do not forget to comment how you enjoyed the video and what you like me to video with a drone, and remind you there are also areas where you can't fly this drone. So I advise, before you start or before you buy, you check your zone or you check your area where you stay, the country where you stay, to see if it's legally to fly a drone. But this DJI Neo 2 is legally to fly it almost everywhere. Only the restricted areas, yes, but I think most of the restrictions come with drones which are heavier than 250 grams, and this is less than 250 grams, so it's a free to go drone. So speaking on the drone back, let's get back to the drone. As you can see, these are protective covers for the propellers. Protective covers for the propellers, as you can see, and it also comes with 2 a propeller to change it. If you want to get the other packages which come with the controller and the transceiver, they call it, costs more, but for me, I think going for this is a good buy. So thank you for viewing the video. I think I'll keep posting more videos and hope you keep liking and watching my videos. Today we were lucky because yesterday we tried coming out to make the drone video, but it was raining throughout and it stopped. We said, okay, we should come out. Before we get dressed up to come outside, it started raining again, and today is a sunny day. I'll switch the camera now so you see around the park. We're at the park now. There's some guys playing over there, my kids and their friends over here. It's a nice sunny day. We're blessed to have this weather today. It's still cold, but it's sunny, it's dried. It's a time to escape the pressure in the home and come outside to feel the free air. So once more, thank you for watching my video. Please, if you have not subscribed while you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button below. And if you know you want to support this channel, keep watching. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.